Yes, dear, you can paint acrylic landscape gamit lamang ang sponge o espongha na kadalasang ginagamit natin sa paghuhugas ng plato. Welcome to No Brush Painting with Violina Ron. Gagamit tayo ngayon ng mga acrylic paints na yellow ochre, black, and white. First, basain muna natin ng konti ang sponge, gayon din ang ating 9 by 12 inches na canvas gamit ang tubig na nasa sprayer. Then, spread na tayo. A little spread here, a little dab, para magpantay lang ang kulay.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a sip of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe, and you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. We'll brush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a sip of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap, and if we don't want it, we don't ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a sip of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. See the 79. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Tcharan! Ito na po ang ating finished product. This landscape was painted without using a single paintbrush. Layers of colors were built with the use of a simple sponge, creating a peaceful, atmospheric scene, proving that beautiful paintings can emerge from the simple everyday tools. Ito rin po ang isa pang nagawa nating na painting gamit ang sponge. Please like, share, and subscribe.